Kultura now. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Number 9. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Dribbling the ball. Dire-diretso. Make a left. Black by. Number 14.
Shot lock. Ilang shot lock yun? 5 seconds. Shot lock. 15. 5 seconds.
Ramos now, dribbling the ball. Dire-diretso. Pass to number 3. Pass to number 32. Tatalugan na now. Make an opening jump shot for 3. New basket. Intercept by 24 to the Boyo, number 1. Dribbling the ball. Pass to number 9. Number 9 layup. One shot by Dilak Cruz, number 9. Alhambra, sorry. Alhambra, number 9. There's a foul. Foul by 20.
Foul on number 24. Fourth personal foul. Number 24, fourth personal foul.
No basket by. There's a chance for the second free throw by Ramos.
Pagod na si
Di Boyo now. Naghahanap ng pasang. Dribbling the ball, making an opening. Looking for his teammates. Naghahanap ng pasang. Kultura. Dribbling. Pass to number 24 now. No basket. And 24 also. There's some foul.
Foul on number 23. 32, sorry. Foul on number 32. Fifth personal foul.
Graduate by 32 Catalunya. Okay, pasok. Pangilinan.
Leo!
No basket by Leo. There's a chance. 4 minutes. 4 minutes more. 4 minutes. 4 minutes pa. Stopwatch tayo. Rebound by Kultura. Follow by Kultura. Gosh, one shot by Kultura. Ramos na. Intercept by. Pass to number 1. Dribbling the ball. Naghanap ng papasahan. Megan opening. Looking for his teammate. Pass to number 9. Alhambra now. Pass to dribbling the ball. Dire-diretso. Pass to Kultura now. Yes! By Kultura. Ramos now. Zigzagging. Heavy traffic. There's a foul by Kultura.
Foul on number 24.
Timeout.
Number 24 for fifth personal foul.
Diluvio. Timeout.